Hello and welcome. My name is Nathan, and today we're going to build a rock track. So let's open up FBC and let's go to empty. This is not a beginner's tutorial. I'm not going to be going slow. So FBC is a sampler. You know, you can host stuff in it. And we're going to make a very simple four samples. Let's start off maybe in which one's which. Yeah, I'm gonna need to have that attached.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now we have those two done. Put them into playlist. We'll say we'll do 2, then we'll do 3 of these.
Eventually.
Fine, that's fine. That's the intro, and then beginning of the song, and whatever. We'll take it from there. So I'm gonna separate these out first. Now let's root the first one first. Sample, change the output. We're going to separate them. I'm just going to change the color so I know what is what. So we'll say light blue.
2 hours later.
And I'll put them into 2 different channels here as a bus master. On this guitar, in this case, a guitar master. So we have bank A all routed to this channel. I'll give you the reason why in 1 second, and we'll change these. This one. Oh, this one. Blue. Right. So the reason for this is they all sound very similar. Okay. And I can EQ all these, but these will be the master outputs for those banks. Okay. This channel, which is the FBC, will not ever change because if you start changing this, they all follow. So if you move this back down to 1, then everything on this side will be back down here because it's FBC is the root. So these two down to 80%, which is my normal starting point for everything. So as a cutoff. What I need to do above this is a side chain.
Minutes later.
Drums. So I'm going to use their FBC. I'm going to keep the presets. Let's use the rock in high quality. Okay, let's put this into the mixer. Now I could do the same thing. I could separate the snare. I could do all this. I'm not really too bothered. It's okay. It's only a demo track. But at the same time, oh.
1 hour later.
Snares are on these. Up. Not really, that's more, what is that? Bass. Let's use a preset. Might as well, they're all here. Rock. Hey, that's exactly what I just made.
Later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So now that we have the bass guitar recorded, I'm pretty sure you got a sneak peek on how I do stuff. We have to mix this now as well. So we're gonna put this into the mixer. And changing my sound card would be good. Oh. Okay, cool. Now that the lead guitar has been done, it took me a few goes to find a good flow, but I think the last one was fairly decent. Now, I wanted this to be quite high, and I want this to be EQ'd. This EQ is a lot better. I just had So now that the mixing is done for the lead guitar, let's keep mixing overall. I'm gonna automate this. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if I can find chords for this. Oh, that sounds scary. Actually, that sounded interesting. Something out of the 80s. Alright, is there anything else I could do to this? We have in the drill, we have some form of structure. We have pretty much everything. We have organs, bass, drums, chords, lead, cymbals. What else is there that we are missing? Vocals? Ooh, that might ruin the whole video, but let's actually just save right here.
Ferry me. Why do you a boy make a big noise playing in the street? You're a boy make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday.
Hold on.
You're a boy make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face. You big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Sing it where you will. Shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got
Singing. Vocals are always messy.
Why do you a boy make a big noise playing in the street? Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face. You big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. What are you a young man, hard man, shouting in the street? What are you a young man, hard man, shouting in the street? Playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Sing it. You're a young man, hard man, shouting in the take it.